I would like for you to go to the back of your packet and find this paper and put your name, number, and date on it. And then let's talk about what you are going to do on this paper. Let's start by reading the directions. It says find the width and length of each shape. Then use that to find the area. So you are doing basically 3 steps here. You're finding the width, you're finding the length, and then you're going to write out an area multiplication sentence basically to find the area of each shape. So let's focus on this one. I'll give you a little freebie here. Well, how wide is this shape? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 wide. How long or how tall is it? Well, it's 1, 2, 3. It is 3 tall. So the area of this shape is 4 times 3, which is what, friends? It is 12. So that's all you're doing. You're finding how wide each shape is, how tall or how long it is. It's the same thing. You're writing a multiplication sentence for it and then solving it. Very simple and easy. When you're done, please hand this paper in the pathway section and move on to the next step in your activity.